Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And, of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang astrology reading for you. Meron tayong new moon in Virgo ngayong September 15, 2023 at 9:39 a.m. Philippine Standard Time. So, if you're living outside of the Philippines, i-check nyo na lang yung eksaktong oras at araw ng new moon sa inyong lugar. And this is also a good time for you to manifest something new in your life, no? Yung mga gusto mo nyong simulan. Kasi new moon is about new beginnings. So, ang tema ng new moon in Virgo is learning new techniques. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring may mga pag-aaralan kayong mga bagong skills, kaalaman na mag-i-improve ng inyong life, ng inyong standard of living, ang inyong trabaho, career, or even relationship. So, ang opportunity for you here is to take practical actions na yung bang mga goals mo sa buhay ay practical ba siya? Na maabot ngayon? Realistic ba siya? Kasi baka nag-set ka ng goals pero mahirap siyang i-achieve. So, kailangan may adjustment, no? Na you have to align that according to what you are capable of doing at the moment. And then, you will also fix some problems or issues in your past. Pwedeng iba sa inyo, meron kayong i-fix na relationship kasi moon is in your 7th house. This can be a relationship to anyone na close sa iyo. Your loved one, your family, any family members. And also, for the goals, you are going to create stronger boundaries para hindi ka matitake advantage ng iba, no? Na you will learn how to say no or i-implement mo na yan na kapag ayaw mo talaga, hindi mo pipilitin yung sarili mo para lang umiwas sa masasaktan mo or ma-offend mo. 'Di ba? It's okay to say no kasi ayaw mo talaga 'di ba? Kaysa sa pilitin mo yung sarili mo. So you're going to set your boundaries. And another goal for you is to cope with unexpected change. May mga hindi inaasahang pagbabago tayong na-experience, 'di ba? Lalo na halimbawa may plano na tayo tapos biglang okay naman na sana tayo, tapos biglang may nagbago ng isip, nagbago ng plano yung ibang tao na concerned din sa gagawin mo na maapektuhan yung plano mo. So, kailangan ready ka sa mga ganon at kung paano ka mag-a-adapt doon sa changes na yon para makaiwas rin sa yung abala, no? Oo, so you're going to cope with unexpected change. So for you Pisces, ang new moon ay nasa inyong 7th house of relationship. Baka meron kayong bagong relationship ngayon. Papasok kayo sa isang committed relationship. This can be a romantic connection, romantic relationship, or business partnership. So take whatever resonates. Mercury is also in retrograde in your 7th house. So I think yung iba sa inyo nagkaroon ng mga miscommunication, misunderstanding with someone na mahal mo sa buhay, malapit sa'yo. So I think this is also the time for you to fix that, na ayusin kung ano yung naging problema para moving forward, no, parang new beginning na kasi. So time to let go of the past and, start something new. And of course, this is also the time to be careful din sa mga bibitawan nating salita para makaiwas tayo na makasakit ng damdamin ng iba, lalo na ng mga taong mahal mo sa buhay. And then, meron tong opposition sa yung first house, which is about yourself. So, I think, yung iba sa inyo, Pisces, kung kayo ay single, it seems na you are not yet ready to get into a serious commitment. Parang ikaw mismo yung pumipigil sa sarili mo. Although deep within you gusto mo, no? Deep within you gusto mo ng relationship, but the thing is, alam mo sa sarili mo na hindi ka ready. For some reasons, pwedeng you are not yet confident enough to get into a relationship. So, yan yung isa sa pumipigil sa'yo ngayon. Kung gusto mo ng relationship. Yung iba naman sa inyo, kung business partnerships to, may opportunity na sana, kaya lang pwedeng may trust issues ka na ayaw mong magtiwala na makipagnegosyo sa iba. So, kailangan muna ma-workout mo yan sa sarili mo para mas maging effective ka in connecting with others. Romantic man yan o platonic or friendship. And then, meron tong positive aspect sa yung third house. So, I think you're going to learn new skills. Meron ditong pag-aaral Yung iba, short distance travel. Some of you are also going to pwede tong connection with your siblings. Kung matagal na kayo hindi nakakapag-usap ng kapatid mo, maaring magkaroon ng opportunity to talk, to communicate. And then, unexpected So, maaring merong unexpected na magre-reach out sa'yo, makikipag-communicate sa'yo to work things out. And then, meron din tong trine sa Pluto in Capricorn in the 11th house. So, for some of you, if meron kang kaibigan na matagal nang hindi nakakausap dahil nagkaroon kayo ng fallout, pwedeng magkakaroon kayo ng communication ngayon, pwede magkakaayos. May transformation sa 11th house. 11th house is about community, your friends, or yung nasasakupan mo. So, I think things are changing for you. Maaring mas lumalawak yung community mo, nag-i-improve, lalo na if you are working sa social media or you are social media influencer, nasa internet ka, ganyan. So, you are doing some practical things, practical applications sa mga pagbabago na related sa community mo. I think you will be reaching out more to people. More connections, more friends. You have the 9 of Swords. Something's bothering you. Yan ba sa inyo hindi makatulog sa gabi? Nahihirapan kayo na matulog ng maaga. Pwedeng marami kayong iniisip or maraming umiisip sa inyo. With the Fool card, I see you taking a risk. Parang carefree, careless. Related sa isang very exciting na idea or creative idea mo na susubukan mo, gagawin mo na lang. You also have the Strength card. So, this is your courage to try new things. I think meron kang susubukan na bagong endeavor, bagong activity, bagong anything na bago na susubukan mo na you've never done before and gagawin mo to ng may lakas ng loob. Yes. Okay, so that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.